She is a hurricane, a force you cannot contain. Try to bear the untamed parts of her, for her passion is wild, and her winds are never steady. Though cast your ropes around her, she will swivel and slide, for she is born with her breath bound to the sun and feet bound to her heart. Love her dearly, she'll show you heaven. Hurt her, and she'll show you hell. A wild woman doesn't seek to be understood, but endured. For deep is the wellsprings of her desires, and colorful is the canvas she wants to make of her life.